Hey everybody, it's Eugene Lee Show here, and don't forget the Forensic Photography Symposium is coming up this January 17th to 20th, 2022. With me today, I have Barry Bassnett. He's one of the speakers at the symposium. And Barry, first off, thank you for being here. And I'd like to know about HDR photography and why is it important?
Okay, HDR photography gives us another set of tools in forensic photography to help us gather more data in the field. One of the problems that forensic and lots of associated skills and applications and workflows, we have to take photographs in poor lighting. And that's not just darkness, that's bright lighting with reflective lights, reflective sun and reflective surfaces. What HDR, or I call it 32-bit photography, does is it allows us to get more data out of an image, whether that's an evidence, a photograph of a piece of evidence, or my background is really in photogrammetry. So it's about building 3D models, scenes, using 360-degree imagery to help document crime scenes. The problem with all that is you get a huge variety of light. If the sun's in the image, stitching photographs or doing photogrammetry, you have lots of problems. So what we'll be talking about is some workflows I've been using for several years in lots of things and lots of applications in the forensic industry and forensic science, archaeology, other things associated with that, which actually simplifies the process and gives you a lot more tools to use.
Yeah, that's excellent. Well, I've seen some of your images and I've seen some where it's like almost complete darkness, like in dark tunnels and all kinds of different things. And the lighting and just the resultant photos is just incredible. So I can't wait to hear more from you. So I really appreciate it. Thanks so much.
Okay, you take care and look forward to meeting up with everyone in January.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So don't forget, January 17th to 20th, 2022, registration is open. And if you're a student, have a look at the educational page and you can fill out the form, send it to us. We want to get students there as well. There's going to be a whole host of different speakers and some really great topics. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.